In this FluencyLink tutorial video, we'll look at the homework feature. Homework consists of a prompt to which students can submit text or upload a file as a response. This differs from questions and assessments, where you can create questions in a particular format, such as multiple choice or fill in the blank. To access homework, go to Homework, Manage Homework. Here, you can edit and clone homework, as well as view and evaluate student responses. You can search for homework up here, or filter by content, group, or class. You can also change the number of homeworks to be displayed per page. You can also sort homework by title, content, or due date. This table also tells you the classes homework is assigned to, the number of students that have responded out of the total, and the number of assignments that still need to be evaluated. To add homework, click Add Homework here. You must enter a title and description. File attachments are optional, limited to these file types, and a maximum of 5 files per homework, and 50 megabytes per file. You can choose to link homework with a piece of content. This is used in searching and filtering. And you can choose to assign this homework to one or more classes, groups, or students. Click the box. You can type to narrow down your search results if you have many classes, and then select from the drop-down list. To remove a class, group, or student, click this X. And finally, you can set a due date for this homework by clicking on the calendar icon. When finished, click Save. This Edit button will take you to the same page we just went over in Add Homework. Simply make your changes and save. The Clone button also takes you to the same page as Add Homework. When cloning, the title, description, attached files, and linked content will be preserved. The assignees and due date, however, will not be copied. When finished, click Save, and you'll have a new homework assignment. To evaluate homework, click on this bubble. Select an assigned class, group, or student to expand the results. You can see whether a student has responded or not. Homework has a predetermined evaluation system, allowing a score from 1 to 10, and personalized text feedback. You can also allow a student to resubmit by checking this box and entering a new due date for the student. When finished, click Send. Homework resources here are currently not provided for any books. However, if applicable, this would contain pre-made homework provided by the publisher. On the student account, homework can be found here. It's separated by due homework, submitted homework, and graded homework. Students can click on the homework, enter a response, attach files, including image, audio, video, and one of these kinds of documents. They can save the homework as a draft, submit, or cancel without saving. Under Submitted, students may view their responses that are not yet graded. Under Graded, they can see their score and feedback given by the teacher. Thanks for watching.